Here, I'll shoot you through the mirror.
So, today we are embarking on our shame. Shame, I say. Do you want to see our shame? I'm so ashamed.
My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town. On the Carter's tiny homestead.
This is our medicine cabinet. Okay. Besides this here, I'm not going to replace this medicine cabinet. I won't spend the money on it. So I saw a video, can't remember who it was, who took some electrical tape and she just taped it around and made like a nice frame. So we're gonna try that.
But first you have
But first here goes the shame of our... I'd like to disclaim that I don't use this medicine cabinet.
Well, it's because there ain't no medicine in there.
This medicine cabinet belongs to the front of the house people, and yeah, they don't clean it. They don't clean nothing. So they don't clean shit. Here we go. So whatever's in here, it's these people who live in the front of the house. They're disgusting. Which is why I don't use it. Why am I even fixing up this bathroom?
So it won't be unattractive.
Well,
and it is the front bathroom.
They need some unattractiveness. Ah! So, here it is. You can see the soap scum.
Everything.
Some old lady ointment. I don't even know who uses this. This is...
What is it? Composite?
I don't know. Should I even be touching it? Well, it's some kind of helps promote healing.
Caloseptin?
I don't know. Let's put it in.
Homoseptin?
Then there's this stuff. Oh, should I touch this? Please, Summer.
That's St. Ives?
Summer's Eve. I think this is some... Should I touch this? Anyways, I don't know whose it is. I hope they didn't Summer Eve it anywhere.
Hey, I use those floss.
Oh, so David is one of the people who's in the front house.
No, I'm not.
Why?
I live in the backyard.
Whose toothbrush?
I don't know whose toothbrush that is, because it's not mine. I'm wondering if that's Kim's, and then I'm wondering if Kim and I have been sharing a toothbrush.
No, she has one in her room.
Oh, okay, because I'm like, there's two blue toothbrushes, and I know one's mine.
We have to hide the toilet paper in here.
Otherwise, you use that.
Somebody uses a lot of toilet paper, so
A lot.
This is a secret emergency stash. Whose razors are these?
I don't know, I think they might be Hartman's.
Well, those are going in the trash because they look like they got ptomaine on them.
Ptomaine?
Look, I'm touching somebody's dental.
I put that back in there. It's clean. I didn't even use
Nah,
it.
it's nasty.
It's because it fell out of the package.
So is this
That's mine, but I do need a new one. But don't throw it away because I haven't got a new one yet.
All right, put it in your pocket so we can get it out of the way.
Yeah. Whose is that? Whose is this loofah sponge?
This loofah sponge is mine. This stuff, I should pour. Oh, I'm going to pour
What is
this.
it?
This is some kind of body wash that this cap is hard to use. I'm going to pour this in Kim's body wash, so that way she can have that one.
Well, there's your soap on a rope. How do you like that? We got that from, I was going to say IKEA, but what's it from?
The Grove.
The Grove Collaborative.
So then we got this.
Dollar
So it's really not that. It's just the fact that.
It's just filthy, that's all.
Yeah, I don't know whose razors these.
Throw them away.
Oh, this is a heavy duty razor.
Oh, wait, that's probably from like Dollar Shave.
Is this like reusable or?
Sponsor us. Yeah, but I don't shave. Oh, this is for like hems.
For whose?
Him and her, him, I don't know.
What is it?
I'm making stuff up. Oh. But it is a handle for...
Let's put it in the trash. If him wanted it, him should put it in here. This shouldn't even be in here because it's too big for the shelf. Oh, maybe I should move the shelf up.
You could.
So then that way this can go in there. And then, what else do we have? More of David's. These.
Those are those are mine.
More.
I need the floss because my gums be bleeding.
Suave, sensational, rejuvenating shampoo.
Dollar store.
And this is...
That looks like it's almost empty too.
No, this is... This is brand new.
I don't use soap.
So, this stuff I'm going to go put into the closet instead of in here.
Oh, that's a good idea, but what about when they need to reach for it?
Who needs to reach for it? They better take it before they go.
Yeah, who's using it?
Shoot. Child?
Boo baby, boo bam, shoe Sam, best of the queen. What'd you say?
Alicia.
Oh, you don't have anything to spray in here?
Yeah, I know it's in here. I'm gonna get it in a second. Here.
She's gonna get it in a second.
Oh wait, we gotta use our Grove product.
Ooh, because we are a Grove collaborative.
Here.
Oh, our Method Antibac bathroom cleaner. Oh, you can get this from Grove. It's $3.48. Hello, Grove Collaborative. How about you come collab on this bathroom and clean it for us?
That was so weird.
I know.
Let me grab these.
Yeah, when you clear that, I'm gonna start spraying it. I don't want it to drip everywhere. Here, actually, I guess I could do this. Mom, I'm gonna help you out. Mom, I'm gonna help you out. All right. Oh, I want to get that toilet tissue wet. There's some toilet tissue up in here. I need it in my atmosphere.
I don't know who uses this.
What is it?
I don't know, but it has like little pubic hairs on it.
It looks like it's for, what is it for?
It's a summer's eve for ladies, feminine stuff.
No, I think that's like gentle foaming, what does it say? Helps maintain a healthy...
Vagina.
Oh, is that what it says?
I don't know how my glasses on, but summer's eve is vagina related material. And I think that looks like pubes. Oh, I'm throwing it away. You can't, you can't stand it. What if it belongs to somebody though? Does it say?
Oh, it does say for a healthy pH. Oh, that is for a vagina. Because how do you know that if your pH is off? I guess that's how you get yeast infections?
Let's not put this on the video.
Well, I'm curious.
Gross down, boy.
I'm curious, Mom. Tell me about it.
I guess.
Well, you understand what the pH balance is.
No, I don't. Somebody probably...
What, make it
People
out?
get yeast infections from various things. Some people get it from taking
How come
antibiotics.
you're not holding this? You can get a yeast infection from taking antibiotics?
Yep.
Can you get yeast under your armpits?
Yep.
Oh, so you can get yeast anywhere on your
Yep. Under your belly.
Yeah.
You have belly fat.
What does it look like?
It looks like yogurt.
Yeah.
I don't know what it looks like. I'm just talking crap. Oh, that looks very nice, David. Just some elbow grease, huh?
And the nerve.
That is some nerves.
Put this stuff on the street already. I'll do it. You. So, turn that dryer off. What a feat. Cleaning out the cabinet and causing it to sparkle and gleam with clean.
Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean.
We need to replace the shelves. But in
Here they are.
Oh, you want to put my hand? Okay. We will replace these glass shelves with careful accuracy.
Uh-oh. That wasn't careful.
The other. Très magnifique.
Oh, goodness.
It's not going in.
Well, don't force it because then it's going to crack like the other one.
That's right.
All right. So now, let's see what we can do about the outside of this baby.
We want to dance it up, clean it up, and also tie it into the bathroom more blackly.
I don't think that was the thing. We trying to get rid of this old looking mess without paying for a new one. There's a trash can over there. He don't know where the trash can is because he never throws anything in the trash.
I don't use this bathroom, so therefore...
Lies! That means if you don't use it, then why was that toothbrush in here? You never used a toothbrush. Got him, coach.
So the lady on the video.
I know you saw it on the video. True. Oh, look how fancy it looks. Should I be showing y'all this trick or should we not? Look at that. So this is just plain black electrical tape from the dollar store. Oh, we need a pair of scissors, don't we?
Look at that. That's already dancing
All right, let me
up.
look at this.
Our kitchen shears from Pioneer Woman. How wonderful. What a great addition to our all-purpose kitchen shears.
Don't lean on that sink.
Wherever you are. Okay. Want me to do 2 lines?
I don't get it either, people. That looks better already. No, first do 1 line and let's see how it looks. Don't you have to like bend it so it'll be draped around there?
Yeah, well.
Yeah, what's he doing?
Wow, that already looks like a frame. Do you see this? Wow, that looks better already. Now let's see if it'll hide that blemish.
Oh, I need to.
Well, let's see how it looks first.
Who's that?
That's India.
Oh, what did you say?
No, I sent her the text.
Oh, about no?
What a great trick. What I wish I could remember the YouTuber who got the idea, but she was right. This is a low cost, great idea to revamp a mirror without paying a fortune.
That does look a lot.
Wow. That looks so much better.
Just have a nice little new finish to it. It's like, did you guys get a new mirror? Kinda.
And it costs less than $1 because you're only using 4 very small pieces.
That sounds like all of y'all.
I'm gonna try this at the other house too on their mirror.
Dang it. There's this whole thing over here, so I can't. It's like an optical illusion. Bam. It's like a curve there now. Dang it! I'm leaving it.
So we just took a roll of electrical tape and framed it around the mirror. Now we're just adding some. Does it reach the video cut?